The Airbrush and 3D Coats voxel sculpting toolset is going to be one of your more commonly used brushes when you're working in voxel mode because it does respect your brush alphas and it has a relatively nice feel to it. You can turn spacing off to make it a little more rough. This specific brush does not apply smoothing. Your fall off will naturally affect it though, because that's going to affect your brush alpha. So let's try absolute draw mode. Its distinguishing feature is that when you click and drag while still holding down and continue to brush, it will continue to build and build. It will also keep your cursor where you initially picked. So I'll continue to brush. And you can see how it's still down at the bottom, even though the surface that I'm extruding is up here. Sometimes that may not be what you want. If you want your brush cursor to follow the extruded surface, then you would want to use the build brush. Okay, so in that sense, it's a lot like the build brush, not exactly, because the build brush, when you happen to build, it's going to taper a little bit at the top, whereas Airbrush does not. It keeps the same shape. And that's a quick look at using the Airbrush and 3D Coats voxel sculpting tool set. Thanks for watching.